got a hiccup. Making it look better. She's got hiccups. Okay.
Let me try and scare
Oh,
you.
that hurts.
Let me try and scare you, shall I?
Don't, for God's sake.
Go on yet?
No.
I guess she's getting over it then. Let's turn it into a butterfly.
It really hurts. I hate hiccup. Spider.
Let's see. Right now it's quite cloudy.
Oh, that's gonna scare me, isn't it?
I'm not really trying to scare you.
Okay.
Is there anyone who's scared of clouds? Please comment.
Yeah. Write what kind of things you're scared of, and then she'll do it to me. Okay.
Yeah. If we have it.
Whoa.
Are you scared of pizzas? I guess
Ah!
you're not. Lightning?
Scared of cats.
You could be allergic.
Scared of lightning.
You could be allergic to cats, dogs, or rabbits. Esky? Nah, no one is, right? Oh, you're scared of snails. You're scared of sports? You're scared of sports. Oh, you could be scared of a bird.
I could be scared of sweets.
Sweets.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's covered in spiders. Spider.
Trying to catch it.
And it turns into a
I was having fun with the spider.
Fine, you want me to put it back on? Oh wait, I think you'd rather go swimming with the fishes. Swim, yay.
Sorry, I just listened to the kitchen.
There's me to the kitchen.
Boom, boom,
What makes you scared?
We just
My
randomly play with the
heartbreaker.
effects, by the way, and I've still got the hiccup.
I want your love and I want your revenge. You and me could have a bad romance. Whoa, caught in a bad romance.
Ready, go,
Rama, gaga, ooh la la.
bad of my romance. Ooh,
I want your hug, I want your disease.
I want your everything as long as it's free. I want your love.
Love, I want your love.
Oh my God, shut up! Look at me up!
Just don't think about it. Hold your breath and do.
Okay, ready?
This is a cure.
Okay, everybody's got hiccups in the world. I'm going to prove to you that holding your breath does not work.
Yes, it does. If you breathe out slowly.
Thank you. I was holding my breath and it hiccuped during it. Look.
Yeah, because you're not doing it at the right time. I've done that all the time. Not my fault you get hiccups too much, is it? Hiccup. She's got hiccup problems. She should go to a doctor.
Shut up. Shut up.
Oh, you probably hate that. Shut up. Hogging up the camera, huh?
I was turning it.
Mm.
Are you thirsty? I'll try drinking
You're so bright and yet so cold. Okay, not that cold. It's not that cold, must I say.
Drinking juice upside down doesn't work.
Are you sure? I can't hear any hiccups.
Ooh. Woohoo! I'm free of hiccups. Wait,
This probably does one.
the trick is to forget about it and just
Mess around. Remember.
breathe
be
normally,
random.
breathe normally, okay? Remember, be safe.
Stay.
Is it stay safe?
Yeah.
Oh, same thing. Stay safe,
Stay random. Yay! Yeah. Oh, Bubs. Bubs, yeah. Hi, Bubs.
I'm so bright. From the window. Anyway, bye!